What would you do if your car broke down tomorrow? Or if you lost your job for a month? Most people panic, because 6 in 10 Americans don't have even $500 saved for emergencies. Today, I'll show you how to change that fast, even on a tight budget. Hey everyone, welcome back to Budget Boosters, where we make money simple. In this video, you'll learn how to build an emergency fund step by step. No stress, no spreadsheets, just real results. Let's get started. Step 1. Know your safety number. Start small. Add up your essentials, rent, food, gas, and bills for 1 month. That's your first savings goal. Even $1,000 can cover most small emergencies. Stick around, the next step makes saving automatic. Step 2. Open a separate savings account. Keep your emergency money out of sight and out of reach. Use a high-yield savings account so it grows while you wait. No debit card, no temptation. It's your in case of life fund, not your fun fund. Step 3. Automate your savings. Set a small weekly transfer, even $10 adds up. Automation removes the decision. If you get paid Fridays, set it to move money Saturday morning. You'll forget it's happening until you see your balance grow. Step 4. Cut and redirect. Look for small wins, cancel one unused subscription, eat out one less time per week. Redirect that cash into your emergency fund. If you cut $50 a week, that's $200 a month, $2,400 a year. Little habits build big safety nets. Step 5. Celebrate milestones. When you hit $500, pause and celebrate. Then aim for 1 month of expenses, then 3. Progress keeps you motivated and protected. Your emergency fund is your financial shield. Start with $10 today, just to prove you can. What's one expense you could cut to fund your safety net? Drop it in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our next video, What is Loud Budgeting? The Gen Z Money Trend Explained.